Nadia from Nadia'z Vlogs USA. I hope you all are doing well, and I'm doing a video today, and today's video is going to be about Michael Kors LITA small crossbody bag. And I was really excited about this bag, and this arrived in the mail, so I'm just going to be unboxing with you guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So this is the package. I thought it would come in a box or something, but it came in this bag, plastic. You guys can see probably inside. So once I open that package, it's in a plastic wrap like this, and a label with actual bag right here. Actually, this was in the store. I saw the price was around in December 16 when it was my birthday. It was $89 in the store, but I did not buy it from the store because it was returned and it had a problem. This was in the store. I saw the price was around in December 16 when it was my birthday. It was $89 in the store, but I did not buy it from the store because it was returned and it had a problem, so I didn't want to buy it from the store. That's why. And so I had to buy it online, and they had a sale, about $92, and with tax it came up to $98, so pretty good deal for that. So it says LITA small crossbody. So it opens like this. I was really excited about this bag. I was waiting for it. This was a gift for my birthday. So oh, it's really nice. That little Michael Kors logo. And the inside is, and then this is so hard. I don't know what this is. Put your phone, your keys, every the stuff that you need, you can fit in there. There is a back pocket as well, right here. This is like, I'm 5'4", and this is like the length of the bag, so that you guys can see for size difference. Like, this is how it is, perfect size. So this was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time with another vlogs. Bye bye, take care.